Fashion Week. Why should I be the face of Full Figure Fashion Week? I love beauty, I love fashion, and I don't know about you, but I love to live my life on the runway. I recently graduated studying business marketing and management, currently studying fashion design. And what I would love to share with women all over the world is that size is just a number, but confidence, honey, is a lifestyle. And I leave you with this. We asked ourselves, who are we to be brilliant, talented, gorgeous, and fabulous? Who are you not to be? Again, my name is India Michelle Vance, and I will hope to see you guys in New York